Now, you might have realised that the lineup is not quite complete. There's something missing. So, Andrew, come back up. What are we missing here?
Well, thank you very much, Edwina, and thank you to my colleagues. I think, as I said earlier, we really know that customers love taking their Nissan Navara to absolutely the limits, and for some, an even more capable and tough truck is really critical for the job. The Nissan Navara range wouldn't be complete without such a truck. So now let me share with you our concept of the next generation Nissan Navara Pro-4X Warrior by Premcar.
The test of the brake systems. I was worried about you being in the way there. Now, this is formidable. Tell me about this truly tough truck. That is awesome.
Absolutely, and I think, you know, this is, firstly, let me share with you, this is a concept we're currently sharing with you tonight, and it really previews the direction of the next Warrior by Premcar. The Warrior by Premcar has been part of the Nissan Navara lineup for over 6 years now, and it's in that time Warrior has really become synonymous as a result of its toughness, something that's really capable, and a go-anywhere kind of model. So since 2019, important also to share with you that over 10,000 Warriors have actually been sold, which shows how strongly it really connects with customers. From weekday workhorses to weekend adventurers, whether it is four-wheel driving or motorbike riding, or like our ambassador, Daniel Saunders, mentioned earlier, customers choose Warrior because it looks tough, feels comfortable, and gives them the confidence to take it on anywhere. With the Nissan Navara Pro-4X Warrior concept, we're focusing really on two things our customers tell us that matters most: capability and design. Everything you're about to see is built around real-world confidence. A stronger front end with a body color bull bar, extended overriders, underbody protection, including the lava red Warrior bash plate that you referred to, large 32.2-inch off-road tires on a wider offset 17-inch alloy, new side steps, a Warrior branded tailgate, and a lifted suspension system with coil springs and dampers in signature lava red. In addition, a ride height increased by 40 millimeters and a dedicated Warrior suspension tune that lifts performance both on and off-road. It looks tough, it delivers capability where it really matters, and our customers are going to love it. And I will say, I'm really proud of all the work that's been done by the teams in developing this.
You should be so proud of your team, both what they've achieved in development and what they've achieved tonight with this launch. Incredible work all around, so congratulations to the whole global Nissan team. And to finish with that Warrior by Premcar and that Aussie ingenuity is just fantastic. Congratulations on bringing this superb ute to life, and thank you so much for sharing the journey with us as well. It's been such an extraordinary evening. I know all of you who are lucky enough to be here tonight cannot wait to see this beauty up close, and also to all of our viewers who are watching around the world. For now, I'll turn it over to Andrew for a few final thoughts.
Thank you so much, Edwina. So seeing the all-new Navara Nissan here tonight is really a proud moment for our team. It really reflects our focus on offering vehicles for all who live and work across Australia and New Zealand, and are really reconnecting with what matters to them. We built the all-new Nissan Navara for those people who keep our communities moving, as you heard earlier, people defined by resilience, effort, and grit. So when this all-new Nissan Navara reaches showrooms, it will be soon out there where it really, truly belongs, like in the outback, on the work sites, doing the early morning and the late night finishes. Those are the moments you cannot outsource, automate, or indeed scroll past. These are the first steps in Nissan's product direction for the future. Ahead is a future shaped by real conditions, real demands, and real people. Not by trends or algorithms, but by the way life is actually lived here. We will continue to challenge the norm and do so by seeking to defy ordinary. So to everybody joining us online and across our dealer network, thank you for being part of this moment, and thank you for joining us. Enjoy the rest of the evening. If I can now take the opportunity to invite Leon and Ken and the rest of the team back up, that would be wonderful. And then, indeed, I would like to join the rest of you to come up and have a look at the product. Thank you very much, everybody.